The internet says Little Rock made it illegal to honk your horn near a sandwich shop after 9 at night. It also claims Arkansas banned alligators in bathtubs. Very memorable, not very traceable. Researchers have searched old Arkansas codes and still cannot produce a genuine alligator bathtub law. And the famous sandwich shop rule has no reliable current ordinance citation. But Arkansas does legally explain how to pronounce Arkansas. It regulates how many free pinball games you can win. It recognizes purple paint as a property warning. And its constitution still contains language about atheists and dueling. Here are Arkansas's 10 strangest real laws. Number 10. Arkansas law designates the fiddle as the official state musical instrument. Not merely beloved, not culturally significant, official. Which means somebody introduced legislation, committees considered it, lawmakers voted, and the fiddle defeated every guitar, banjo, piano, and suspicious jug in the state. The fiddle now has statutory job security. Play the wrong note and you are still legal, but you have disappointed an instrument with its own code section. Number 9. Arkansas officially designated the Dutch oven as its state historic cooking vessel, because apparently state pot lacked the dignity lawmakers were looking for. Most cookware is satisfied being nonstick. The Dutch oven demanded historic recognition, a government title, and a permanent place beside the state flower. Some states write laws about pots. Arkansas made the pot a public figure. Please address it as the honorable cast iron vessel. Number 8. Arkansas landowners can use properly placed vertical purple paint marks to post property against trespassing. The statute specifies the mark's size, height, spacing, and visibility. So in Arkansas, a purple stripe is not rustic decoration. It is a legally formatted message from the tree. Turn around. No sign to read. No words to miss. Just the color purple, quietly performing property law in the woods. Even the fence posts have legal authority. Number 7. Arkansas generally restricts ATVs on public roads, but its exceptions get remarkably detailed. A person with a qualifying serious walking disability may use certain routes if the ATV carries a red flag at least 6 inches by 12 inches on a pole extending at least 36 inches above the seat, and the operator carries a physician's certificate. The accommodation is sensible. The statute reads like the assembly instructions for a medically authorized pirate vehicle. Number 6. Arkansas law distinguishes legal amusement pinball from prohibited gambling-style machines. Among the details, a qualifying amusement machine takes 1 coin per player per game, uses flippers, and may award no more than 25 free games. 25 is wholesome recreation. 26 is apparently where society collapses. Arkansas trusts you with flashing lights, steel balls, and aggressive sound effects, but it keeps a statutory hand on the replay counter. Number 5. Arkansas allows regulated amusement prizes and free games, but an operator or employee who exchanges certain non-cash prizes or free games for money can commit a Class A misdemeanor. That stuffed bear may cost you 600 tickets. It may possess 1 crooked eye and a wholesale value of $4, but do not ask the arcade cashier to turn it into cash. Arkansas's economy has standards, and apparently they begin at the prize counter. Number 4. Arkansas Code preserves an 1881 resolution declaring the state name should have 3 syllables, a silent final S, and what the text calls the Italian sound of the A. In other words, Arkansas, not Arkansas. But viral posts exaggerate this into mispronouncing Arkansas is illegal. It is not a crime. There is no fine, jail sentence, or pronunciation police. You will merely be wrong by legislative resolution, which is somehow more personal. Number 3. Arkansas's constitution says a person who fights a duel, accepts a challenge, or knowingly carries one may not hold state office for 10 years. So if 2 candidates cannot settle a debate without pistols at sunrise, the Constitution responds, neither of you is leadership material until 2036. Modern criminal law already handles violence, but Arkansas preserves a special resume penalty for behaving like a rejected scene from Hamilton. Number 2, the Arkansas Constitution still says a person who denies the existence of God cannot hold civil office or testify as a witness. That provision is not enforceable. Federal constitutional law prohibits religious tests and protects religious freedom. But the words remain in the document like a racist antique nobody has carried out of the attic. The hypocrisy is impressive. A state constitution preserves a religious test while the supreme law of the country says government cannot use one. And number 1, Arkansas did not stop with a flower, bird, and flag. Its state symbol chapter identifies an official beverage, instrument, fruit and vegetable, folk dance, mammal, soil, cooking vessel, grain, grape, nut, dinosaur, knife, primitive fish, firearm, steam locomotive, and multiple designated capitals. Arkansas has more official accessories than a video game character after completing every side quest. The state government may not know what tomorrow will bring, but it knows which fiddle, rice grain, Dutch oven, knife, dinosaur, and locomotive are coming with it. Those are 10 strange but real pieces of Arkansas law. The internet invented bathtub alligators and late-night sandwich horn crimes. Reality gave us pronunciation policy, purple paint property law, a pinball replay ceiling, a constitution worried about duelists, and a legally distinguished Dutch oven. The lesson is simple. If a weird law has no section number, it may be folklore. If it does have a section number, it may still be outdated, unenforceable, or wildly exaggerated. Which Arkansas law has the best irony? Leave it in the comments, follow for state number 5, and keep your pinball winnings at 25 free games or fewer.